Do you ever feel like there's millions of blog niches out there but none quite spark your passion? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll share some great blog ideas for you to explore so you can go get to writing. Let's get to it. Long-form content is not all gone. People still find it a reliable source of both information and entertainment. As a result, blogging is more than relevant option to both share your passion with the world and possibly start a profitable project at the same time. To this end, choosing a topic will set your whole foundation for running the site. And the truth is, with the number of existing blogs today, it can be a little tricky to choose an evergreen topic to build your blog around, especially one that's not been saturated. Writing about something that you don't care about is a one-way road to burnout. In all fairness, you only need that spark of interest and a willingness to learn. There's no need to be the best expert in the field regarding the topic of your blog. So let's find the topic that resonates with you that you can work on. Also, if you're interested in blogging, personal branding, or website creation, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a bunch of videos that can take your blogging experience to the next level. We upload new videos every week, so make sure to turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. Alright, let's check out the list of blog ideas, starting with a topic that's been trending for quite some time. It's probably no surprise to any of you, but AI is trending and will probably be trending for quite some time. Technology is advancing at a rapid rate, and everything new and exciting will be getting constant interest from the readers. And that's exactly what starting an AI and technology blog could offer you. Whether you're a techie, a programmer with insights about the industry, or simply someone who's fascinated by how technology is evolving, this blog niche can become your playground. Several blog post ideas you can consider include AI's impact on public sectors, gadget reviews, tech tutorials, programming tips, sharing your own projects, or just blogging about the industry as a whole. It's worth noting, however, the technology niche is well saturated. To get ahead, you'll want to pay attention to a few things. Make sure to stay curious and informed. The tech industry moves quickly. If you blink, you might miss the next big thing. Subscribe to leading tech blogs, magazines, and podcasts to keep your finger on the pulse. Next, expand your knowledge by engaging with the community. Tech forums, social media groups, and conferences are gold mines for ideas and networking channels. Lastly, always make sure to simplify the complex. Your ability to break down tech topics into digestible content will be your biggest asset. Use analogies, infographics, and relatable examples to connect with your audience. Gaming is an ever-expanding topic. Whether you're interested in or even part of the industry, or maybe you just like to play competitively or just relax with some retro classics, you'll definitely find yourself an audience. The vast amount of gaming-related topics out there cannot be understated. Every single gaming community will have its niches, so make sure to pick something that truly interests you. Popular blog ideas include game reviews, industry news, guides, and tutorials. Blogs about game development itself are insanely popular. Documenting your struggles and achievements can prove to be a great resource for anyone else trying the same thing. With the rise of long-form gaming videos and essays on platforms such as YouTube, make sure to get the most out of what a text-based blog can offer instead. Walkthroughs can be much more effective in a blog format, and long, in-depth reviews can offer more space for your thoughts when you're writing it all out. If you're passionate about a specific franchise, consider writing out a retrospective. Get into the specifics of each entry, what you liked and what you didn't. This is a great way to get other fans engaged and talking in your comment section. If you're interested in the industry, leverage that to your advantage. Conduct interviews with developers, investigate any rumors that pop up, and offer your own insights into the current state of video games. As with everything else, make sure you're passionate about your chosen subject. With gaming, you're sure to find people who are into the same things as you. A blog dedicated to photography and creative art can be a canvas for visual storytelling and creative inspiration. If you think art is your forte, a blog can be a great place for sharing personal projects, offering tutorials, and discussing any art trends that pop up. If you're a professional photographer or a creative art director, you can document the journey of an art project on the blog, from the initial idea all the way to the final piece. This way, you can provide insights into the creative process. Besides, sharing tips and techniques will make your blog a helpful resource for your audience too. In case you're more of an art enjoyer than an artist, you can use your blog to talk about other creators' projects. Everything from interpretations to simply posting pieces you like can both promote the artist and create a discussion on your page. If you want to maintain a blog on this topic, ensure that your blog is visually stunning. Use a clean, image-focused blog design that lets your art take center stage. Also, consider applying a watermark on your own artwork so that you can protect it from being used without your consent. On the same note, if you feature someone else's work on your blog, don't forget to credit accordingly to avoid unwanted copyright issues. Besides, it's just the right thing to do. Okay, to avoid burnout, attend exhibitions, participate in workshops, and explore other art forms to keep your content fresh and engaging. After the COVID-19 pandemic, health and nutrition topics are on a never-before-seen rise. And even without the unfortunate pandemic, talking about health is evergreen. You can choose anything from sharing diet plans or workout routines to fostering a holistic approach to health, covering physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Start by noting down your concerns about the health topic that you wish to share, debunk, or simply educate your readers about. Or inspire readers with a step-by-step guide to improve their physical fitness starting from scratch. When building a health blog, remember to cite reliable sources when needed. Certain types of information should always be backed by science to avoid spreading harmful misinformation. Other than that, you can share evidence-based advice, personal success stories, and the latest in wellness trends. Remember, readers often connect more deeply with content that includes real-life experiences and testimonials. You can also encourage readers to share their health journeys, questions, and successes in the comment section or through social media. Creating a community around your blog can foster a supportive environment for everyone involved. A blog is the perfect platform to offer inspiration for transforming living spaces into reflections of personal style. That's because long-form content makes it comfortable to share practical design solutions, innovative trends, or DIY decor projects that resonate with a wide audience. For example, small spaces are becoming a new trend in house planning. You can provide readers with tips for making the most of limited living spaces, including multifunctional furniture and small storage solutions. You know what's even better? It's a potential income source when combined with an affiliate marketing program. Yeah, and if you love to craft DIY home decor, it's your time to shine. Share step-by-step guides for simple yet impactful DIY projects to personalize the homes of your audience. By doing so, you can also highlight ways to incorporate sustainable practices and materials into home design. It's very important to provide high-quality images of interiors, design projects, and DIY steps. They reflect your expertise and help your credibility. Functionality is also of the utmost importance. Provide practical tips that readers can realistically implement regardless of their budget or space constraints. Are you a polyglot, teacher, or advanced language student? Then this niche is a perfect option to expand both your knowledge and your linguistic abilities. A blog about language and education topics can offer a wealth of resources, tips, and insights. Here, you can create a space for readers to find guidance and engage with content that makes learning both accessible and enjoyable. An educational blog doesn't always have to be about teaching something. You can also share effective and time-efficient learning strategies for those with limited study time. Or you can compile a list of top-rated free online tools and resources that can aid language learners. Cater to a broad audience by covering various aspects of language learning and education, from traditional classroom techniques to online learning innovations. Consider collaborating with language educators, linguists, and e-learning professionals to add credibility and variety to your content. And if you want to build a blog focusing on teaching, incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, challenges, and downloadable resources to make learning engaging and practical. This blog topic is perfect for financial advisors, savvy investors, budgeting experts, and anyone passionate about financial literacy and independence. Everything and anything is trending when it comes to money, from actionable advice on budgeting, investing, and retirement planning to financial decision making. Aim at helping your audience achieve their financial goals. For instance, you can offer a step-by-step guide to setting up and sticking to a personal budget. You can also create beginner-friendly content, something like Investing 101, breaking down basic concepts and investment vehicles. That said, you need to understand that personal finance is a sensitive topic. it's important to ensure your content is well researched, accurate, and transparent, especially when discussing financial products or investment strategies. If you're earning income through affiliate partnerships, it's definitely a good idea to be transparent about it. As finance terms can be complex, using real-life scenarios, case studies, and simple language can make your content accessible to a broad audience. Lastly, stay updated on financial news. This is one topic that you don't want to fall behind with. Travel blogs are as old as the internet, and they're here to stay. Because, well, who can get tired of traveling? By blogging about travel topics, you can build an exciting platform for sharing the wonders of the world, all through guides, adventure stories, and tips for travelers. This niche is ideal for everyone with a passion for discovering new places and sharing experiences. But do note, since the travel niche is not much of a niche anymore, it's important to offer something unique to your audience. It can be the way you present your travels, or you could cover the destinations or topics that people rarely talk about. For example, discuss the ways to minimize environmental impact while exploring new places. Or find hidden gem destinations that you like, then offer insider tips and recommendations from a local's perspective. If it's not obvious, the formula to build a successful travel blog is through storytelling. Use compelling narratives and images to bring your travel stories to life. Being authentic will help you through the process of finding your style and tone for the blog. Finally, top it all off with interactive elements like maps, travel itineraries, or packing lists. These can add significant value and make your blog a go-to resource for trip planning. If you love to share your favorite recipes, perfect, this niche is for you. But if you don't, this niche is also open for exploring the culture, science, and artistry of food and drink. For example, you can share coffee brewing techniques, wine tasting notes, and culinary adventures. Start with your favorite dish or beverage as your niche. It's better to kickstart your blog with something specific before you broaden your blog entries. Building your blog around general content will make it hard to stand out among any similar blogs. When it comes to food, the market is pretty competitive. So, if you love cocktails, provide step-by-step guides for mixing classic cocktails, along with the history and variations of each drink. Use descriptive language to engage the readers. Try your best to describe flavors, aromas, and textures in detail. When reading about food, it's all about the imagination. Moreover, offer value to your readers by teaching them something new. Most people know how to boil an egg, but can they make an omelet the way your grandmother used to? I don't think so. Environmental and sustainability topics have been on the rise for quite some time now. As the impact of global warming becomes more and more concerning, people have started to consider the environmental impact of their lifestyle choices. If you wish to spread awareness and highlight environmental issues, there's no better time to start a blog. It's time for you to shine. Through your blog posts, you can offer practical solutions, share success stories, and inspire action towards a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Environmental matter is also an umbrella topic for a wide spectrum of life aspects, from waste management to renewable energy. There's a lot to cover. You can also merge the eco-friendly lifestyle idea with other topics I mentioned. If you love food, you can discuss the environmental benefits of plant-based diets, sustainable farming practices, and how people can make more eco-friendly food choices. The tricky part of maintaining a blog on this topic is the fact that environmental research, policies, and technologies are constantly evolving. Therefore, you need to be aware of the latest news and studies to provide accurate information. Other than that, simply use your platform to educate. Break down complex topics into understandable content. You can also feature success stories and positive developments related to eco-living. This move can spark your readers' willingness to act and make more informed lifestyle choices. A personal development blog is a sanctuary for individuals seeking growth, self-improvement, and well-being. This topic offers a bunch of subcategories that you can explore and focus on. Some of these include self-care tips, mindfulness practices, mental health, and insights into living a balanced and fulfilling life. In the long run, your blog can also foster a supportive community where everyone can learn, share, and start a journey of self-discovery. You might even bump into partnership opportunities with other bloggers or brands. The key to starting a blog within this niche is to be authentic and provide actionable insights. Authenticity fosters trust and encourages readers to engage more openly with your content. Meanwhile, actionable advice brings value to your readers, which can be an initial foundation for building an active community. Remote working has been on the rise ever since the COVID pandemic. It has also become a perfect introduction to the digital nomad lifestyle to boot. If you're a part of this lifestyle, sharing your first-hand remote working experience will prove valuable to those interested in it. Consider making your blog a sort of a guide and a companion for the audience on how to navigate an ever-changing modern workplace. Start by sharing insights on creating effective working setups, offering productivity hacks, and providing guides for those who wish to travel while working. As a subtopic, you can also share the best tools for remote work, destination guides for digital nomads, or time management tips to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Given the travel aspect of the digital nomad lifestyle, incorporate a variety of multimedia elements to make your blog more engaging. Create videos, podcasts, or photo essays from time to time to provide a rich and immersive experience for your audience. Finally, consider featuring guest posts from other digital nomads to diversify perspectives and experiences. Okay, to close out the list, I just want to say that everyone has to start somewhere, so don't overthink it. Content trends will come and go, but as long as you have enough curiosity and dedication, you can make a blog about anything that you're passionate about. So let me know if any of these ideas from my list sparked your interest. And if you found this video helpful, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with anyone who is struggling to start a blog. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you can see more blog development tips like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your online journey.